Model, 71 plate Fiat Doblo Cargo Combo MAXI L2 long wheelbase, 1.6 Multijet 16V 105 Tecnico van start-stop. Euro 6 ULEZ, spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 158303. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 Multijet E105 HP E6 DFINAL. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Turbo needs replacing. Oil pressure light is on as well and there is a tapping from the top of the engine. Pretty sure an oil pump replacement with a new turbo and a full service will sort this issue out. But buy on the worst case scenario, pretty sure the bottom end is good, well worth spending the time getting this back on the road. First to see will buy. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load